Hello, I'm Tracy Wandress with Housebroker Realty, and I serve the awesome people of York County. I understand what matters to you in today's market. What matters most is the transition between putting your home on the market and closing on the next home. My job is to put a transition plan together to meet your needs from start to finish. You see, I am a fiduciary, and your best interest is the only matter of importance to me. I have a proven plan and a team of professionals to make this happen for you, including making sure you understand the fees, help you obtain fully committed financing, and achieve the best possible price for all homes involved. I will also include an out clause for the unexpected that could arise. In short, if you list with me, you are my only concern, and my promise is to make your move what you expect up front. Are you ready to make a move, but unsure if it's the right time? I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for listening. I am grateful for your time, and I hope to meet you soon. Thank you.